I'm an introvert. What do I need to know about establishing rapport? What we need to do, guys, is we have to learn the four types of introvert. Okay? Bakit kailangan natin ma-learn yung four types of introvert? Mamaya sasagutin ko yan. Okay? So we have the first introvert, yung shy introvert. Etong mga taong to, they prefer other people approaching them first. Kumbaga, hindi yan makikipag-usap sa'yo kung siya yung mag-approach, pero pag i-approach mo yan, madaldal yung taong yan. You would be a shy introvert. And then the next is the thinking introvert. Ito yung mga tao na constantly nag-overthink and sometimes perfectionist. And merong next na type of introvert, anxious introvert. Okay? They are concerned about how other people would think. Okay? Actually, ako, anxious introvert ako. Sometimes, natatakot akong mag-post ng things na nasa utak ko kasi I'm concerned about what other people would think. And meron tayong last na type of introvert. Ito yung restrained introvert and they prefer to always be alone. Okay? Yung reason bakit shinare ko sa inyo yung types of introvert is sometimes, guys, when you use the word introvert, sometimes hindi ako naniniwala, and at the same time, parang parang ginagawa siyang excuse ng ibang tao kaya hindi sila kumikilos. So, yung first na assignment ko sa inyo is avoid using the phrase that you are an introvert as an excuse for not taking action. Kasi guys, if you are a shy type of person na nagpre-prefer ka na na may makipag-usap sa'yo before you talk to them, I mean, what's wrong about posting something all about landing page or the service that you are offering inside your profile? And then pag may mag-comment sa'yo, 'di ba you prefer people commenting or talking to you first? So you can post something sa profile mo kung ayaw mo na mag-approach sa kanila. If you are a thinking introvert naman, okay, like ano yung parang like kung ikaw yung thinking introvert, ano yung parang pinakamaliit na result that you would consider as a win? And if you are an anxious introvert na mag-overthink ka, if you have people na nagwo-worry ka sa tingin nila, block them on your Facebook profile muna. Like, don't let them be notified kung may post ka. Or create a new profile if it's stopping you from doing or from taking action. Kasi guys, the reason why you are not really getting result is you are just overcomplicating things. And sometimes, yun nga, when you use the word introvert, minsan nagiging excuse siya instead of you taking action. And yun nga guys, when you are an introvert guys, actually advantage kasi yung pagiging introvert. Okay? Hindi siya weakness. To be honest, hindi siya weakness. The only thing that's stopping yung sa mga introvert for having success is self-confidence. Okay? Yan lang. Kasi if you are an introvert, parang automatic na sa atin na genuine tayong maging interesado sa ibang tao. We prefer listening to other people as compared to us talking to them. Like magsalita all about ourselves. Kasi hindi tayo narcissistic. Yan yung advantage ng introvert. So, if you think that being an introvert is a weakness, no, hindi siya weakness. It's a strength. You just have to build your confidence, your self-confidence. Now, how can you build your confidence? Yun nga, the first thing that you need to do is to try. Say for example, ayaw mong mag-cold email, try it. I mean, you can send one cold email per week. Yan yung smallest. Why? Kasi, yun nga, the more you try, the more exposed you are to that specific thing. And the more exposed you are, the less afraid you become over time. So like me, dati, nung first na nag-live ako, guys, when if kumbaga i-describe ko yung first na live ko, nanginginig ako and then pinagpapawisan ako dahil sa takot. Kasi yun nga, I'm an anxious introvert. Pero yun nga, the more I tried, the more I was exposed, the less afraid I became. So yun nga, kaya nakikipag-usap ako sa inyo ngayon. So yun, if you are an introvert, the only thing that you need to do is try it. Smallest thing. I mean, baby steps. You don't have to do like an overhaul talaga na kailangan mo mag-cold email or mag-outreach every day like 10 tao palagi. No, if it would overwhelm you, don't do it. I mean, try connecting or doing in small numbers first to avoid being overwhelmed. Okay? Kasi guys, yun nga, being an introvert is a strength. Hindi yan weakness. Okay? Hindi yan weakness. The only thing that's stopping us from winning is we are not yet confident. And self-confidence is a skill that we can learn by trying it, trying to do things na uncomfortable tayo. The more we are exposed, the less afraid we become.